Today, we're checking out one of the wildest factory off-road machines you can buy, the 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. It's big, it's loud, and it's angry. And this one right here has $6,000 of modified lighting. What the fuck? And a JCR off-road roof rack, making it even more ready for the desert, probably more than Ford actually intended. At the core, this is Ford Bronco's Dune Destroyer. Under the hood, you get a 3.0 liter EcoBoost V6 pushing 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. All of it runs through a 10-speed automatic and some of the beefiest driveline components you'll find on a factory SUV. Fox 3.1 live valve shocks, 37-inch tires, and a track width that's wider than the standard Bronco by a full 8.6 inches. Now, not only does it have a ton of cool modifications like the lighting, this car also comes with about $7,000 in upgrades already. This is a full body stealth PPF. That's why you get this nice satin finish. Now, this right here is fully protecting the vehicle from scratches, dings, any bird droppings, makes it easier to wash, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Now on top of that, we've also tinted the windshield, driver and passenger, and rear with RP Film Ceramic Plus. This is our personal product that we sell, and it is amazing when it comes to performance and getting the best performance for your car on the inside, keeping it cool, and also making it much more comfortable and giving you some privacy. Up front, on the top, and on the sides, you're seeing about $6,000 worth of Baja Design light kits. Now, all of the lighting has been installed properly with those auxiliary lights here, making sure that there's no cables, no mess, everything looks really good and will last a long time. Inside, the Raptor stays true to the rugged theme, but adds big touches. Heavily bolstered seats, code orange accents, and a 12-inch touchscreen loaded with off-roading telemetry. You can see pitch, roll, and how the suspension is acting in real time. And lucky for us, we live in Northern California, which means for $5, we have access to over 100 acres of off-road beautiful park. All right, guys, so now you got a little bit of the breakdown of the exterior. Now let's test out this park. The fact that, you don't really see these cars being used in a practical environment, like you see them on the freeway, you see them going over small curbs, but this is really testing the suspension and the tires on this bad boy. This is what the Bronco can do, baby. In extreme conditions. All right, let's kick it right back over this edge right here. Holy moly. Woo! And then we're gonna go up, and we're gonna come out. Woo!
Oh my God, it's crazy. It eats it. It goes right through it. That's sick, dude.
And one of you can
I'm
win
not even
this car.
I'm not even giving it really anything.
Here we've got a big puddle. Let's go ahead and see it. All right, let's go. Woo! Ah! Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching all that footage. This thing is very capable on the road and off the road, just like this scenario here. If you guys are interested in possibly winning this vehicle, make sure to go to rpwindowfilms.com, get yourself some merch, a hat, a hoodie. One of the 5,000 people who check out on our website will get selected. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and again, don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.